right there.
Okay.
Okay, we're all on board. The Cito rocket super faster blaster is ready. Are you ready for takeoff, co-pilot Arnie?
It's designed
Roger
to allow
that.
the President
Ready,
of the United
spaceman
States to
Dad?
address the country
Ready,
within 10
Commander.
minutes from any
Okay,
time. The system
countdown.
was not used
5,
on 9/11,
4,
which some
3,
critics say
2,
proves the U.S. is
1.
still living
Let's go!
And keep in mind, it is only a test. After that, it's our moment. In this seat.
Look out for that plane!
I'll see you tomorrow.
The National Weather Service in Indianapolis has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Davies County, Greene County, northern Martin County until 10:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 9:31 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado. This dangerous storm was located near Linton, or 30 miles southeast of Terre Haute, and moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. In addition, at Midland, a rotating wall cloud was reported by train spotters at 9:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time with this storm. This storm has a history of producing ping-pong-sized hail as well. Locations impacted include Bloomfield, Worthington, Swift City, Lyons, Newberry, Crane, Fun City, Owensburg. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
Wow, what a fun trip to the moon! But I couldn't have made it without my co-pilot Arnie, Spaceman Dad, and our ramp that got Arnie up into the rocket ship. You know, with an inclined plane, you can push heavy things up. And that got me thinking, what else could I do with an inclined plane?